to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I put this makeup on for the mature age over 50, just to show you how you can make it look nice without making it look like mutton dressed up as lamb, and how it can look quite nicely, not too heavy. Some of my other tutorials I've got lots of eyeliner on and mascara on the bottom lashes. This time I'm just going to do it just more nice and natural. So this is how it looks. And again, I haven't put too much mascara on and overdone it. So stick around and see if you like the look. Okay, so we'll make a start. I'm going to put on some MAC makeup, the MAC Studio Fix foundation. Again, it's my little sample pot until I get to the MAC store. And I'm going to do the, I'm going to put the blue colour on. I've got some blue, it's actually like a taupey, I'll show you what it is. Is that colour there? I can focus that one on there. Anyway, it's a MAC makeup, and I'm also going to use the Urban Decay Naked, but all the colours are going to be matte today, so I'm not going to have any shimmer, like my last video was the shimmer. The foundation. Okay, again, loving this Studio Fix one, because for my, yeah. And on my lips, I'm wearing, again, that Nivea lip balm, just to put some balm on my lips before I put the lipstick on. Okay, so skin's nice and refreshed. And I use a little bit of Thin Lizzy again. This is just for the eyelids. And again, like I said, with the discoloration, it just helps blend it in a little bit so you get better coverage. The lighter colour. That one just there, that's just gonna, I'm just gonna put it over the eyelid just so I can glide the other colour on. Otherwise it'll be a little bit sort of sticky and it won't glide on smoothly. I'm going to use my Real Techniques brush. It's a big thick brush, and I'm just going to do the whole lot over the whole eyeshadow, over the whole eyelid. Tap some of the excess off and just put it on gently. Not too much. It does look a little bit dark when you first start it, but I'm going to blend it all in as well. Okay. I'm just going to go above the brow line, then we're going to curl eyelashes. I like this colour, it goes nice with the blue eyes. Just pop some mascara on, some Rimmel mascara. But I'm going to put a bit of the eyeshadow underneath to line the eyes. I'll just have to go back in and clean that up when it's dry. So we're looking like this so far, like a little angle brush. I'm going to just dip it in here, and I'm actually going to do my eyebrows with this one. It's all going to match, but very, very lightly on the eyebrows. Again, just to cover the greys. Okay, just make sure I've got a little bit more over the eye socket, on the mobile eyelid. That's what we all call it, don't we? Not too much though, otherwise I'll lose my lovely, it's kind of a bit like a smoky eye look, I suppose. So yeah, looking like that. Go back with your little angle brush. It's going to line underneath now. So here we just press a little bit of, I really don't want much because I want it to be more natural than what some of the other tutorials have been for me. Yeah, even just that amount was all I really want to do. Again, this is like the mature woman's look. Now I'm just going to fluff it all out just to take away the harsher lines. Okay, I'm going to go back in with my makeup, my foundation. I'm just going to clean up any of the excess that's come off there. And let's have a look now when we're looking. So far we're looking like this. And I'm going to use some blusher, not too much. A little bit here. I'm just a little sun-kissed everywhere. Okay. Now, lipstick, I think I might a little bit darker. I'm going to line my lipstick today. Just a little Australis. I've still got the lip balm on, so I'll just sort of go over it lightly. A little bit lightly there. And then I'll use a little pink one today. This is a pink MAC. And hello again, this is my finished look for the day. I thought I'd go and show you how I'm looking now. I thought I'd show you some styles, what to wear and what not to wear. Today's a what to wear for someone my age. I'm comfortable. I've got this little the oversized jumper I brought from Big W. It's $20. And I've got some tight jeans from Blue Illusion. I'm just wearing some little black booties. And yeah, and I just have a little bit of my ankle showing, just so it sort of breaks up the look there. And just again with the makeup, this is the finished result. And I don't feel like I've overdressed or mutton dressed up as lamb. And yeah, this is how I would put my outfit together. Okay, thanks for watching, and thumbs up if you like it, and please subscribe. Thanks again.